Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Jericho Vamdecilio and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel and if you like simple content, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you'll never miss any of my videos. I post cooking videos every Saturday. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make fried chicken sandwich. Enough talking, let's make this, shall we? To make our fried chicken sandwich is super simple. As always, all the recipes are in the description box down below. First, we're gonna marinate the chicken. In a mixing bowl, add 4 boneless chicken thighs, then season them with salt and pepper, and then add 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and finally 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Mix them and let them marinate in the fridge for 1 hour or overnight. An hour later, prepare your plain flour, egg and milk mixture, and your seasoning flour. The coatings are pretty much the same ingredients from my last video. Don't worry guys, it's all in the description box down below. After you prepared your coatings, start heating up your pot with cooking oil to medium heat and heat it up for 10 to 20 minutes. While the oil is heating, I'm going to show you how to coat the chicken thighs. Let me just set them aside so that I have more room to set my marinated chicken. Okay, now we can start coating the chicken. First, coat it in plain flour, then shake off any excess, then dip it into the egg mixture, and finally, coat it in the seasoning flour. As you can see in the video, that I'm coating and pressing at the same time so that it'll have that nice, crispy and flaky exterior, as you can see in the clip. Once you evenly coat the chicken, shake off the excess, then set it aside. Once the oil is screaming hot, gently lay your chicken and let it cook for 10 minutes. Ten minutes later, your fried chicken should look like this. Nice golden brown and crispy exterior. After that, set it on a cooling rack for 5 minutes just to remove the excess oil. Here's a quick frying tip. Every time you fry, always take out the little bits of breading, otherwise your fried chicken will taste burnt and it won't look good, so be careful. While the fried chicken is resting, let's make the Aurora sauce. In a bowl, add equal parts of ketchup, mayo, and mustard. They're all a 1/4 cup each. Then mix it evenly and then set it aside. Okay, now we can start assembling the sandwich. But first, let me toast the buns for a sec. Okay, the buns are toasted and let's assemble the sandwich, shall we? Okay, first, spread the bottom bun with your wonderful Aurora sauce, then lay your leafy green, then your rested fried chicken, and finally, spread the top bun with Aurora sauce. And you're done. This is by far the best fried chicken sandwich you'll ever make. Now, on with the taste test. Well, there you go, my friends. That is how you make fried chicken sandwich. And let's give it a try, shall we? Well, that is all for today, my friends. If you like it and if it's helpful, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you'll never miss any of my videos. I post cooking videos every Saturday. And see you guys in the next video. Bye!